Today we're gonna be making vegan salmon. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this.
I mean, not really salmon.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Merle, and today we're gonna be making vegan salmon. Yeah, I know we've done that before. Doesn't this look like fish?
I kind of wish I didn't see this.
But today we're gonna be making it out of tofu. Does it sound too easy? Well listen, this recipe is based off of a video that I saw by the guys at Bosch. They are always doing all kinds of really cool vegan stuff. So if you haven't checked them out, go do that. But not until you finish watching the video here. So just wait. They made this vegan salmon that looks so convincing. It looks so good, and they use beet juice to give it the color. Color me intrigued, you know? Color me intrigued. So today we're gonna try that out. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. Our first step is to use some super firm tofu. Super firm, super firm as they can get it. And we're gonna cut it into fourths, and then we're going to put it in, I'm using a baking pan. We're gonna put it in there and we're gonna pour some beet juice over it to give it the pinky salmon color. And we're just gonna let it marinate for a little bit. Once we've covered it with our beet juice, I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and we can marinate it for about 20 minutes. All right, so we're gonna pat these dry with some paper towels. I'm a little curious about how the beet flavor isn't gonna make this thing go haywire, but I'm open to it. Oh man, this looks like a crime scene. All right, and now that our tofu is all marinated and good to go, we're gonna transfer all of our ingredients into a baking pan, and we're gonna start with something you may be familiar with for other dalliances we've done with vegan fish. We're gonna use some nori sheets, which, as many of you know, is dried seaweed, and it'll add the fishy flavor that we want for our vegan salmon. So we're gonna go ahead and pop those in first. You know what else? It'll also probably look like the skin a little bit of a salmon when it's done. A little bonus. All right. And then we're gonna put our tofu on top. These tofu things look gnarly with the beet juice. Ugh. Ugh. I don't even know what it is. You know what? I'm gonna just tell you what it reminds me of. And I've never seen this in real life, but if I could think of what zombie meat looks like, I think it would probably look like this. Doesn't that just make you wanna try it? We've got our nori and our tofu. Now we're gonna add in some white wine, some capers, some caper brine, some lemon zest. Now they used fresh dill, I'm using dried dill. It's not that deep, I just couldn't find any fresh dill at the grocery store that I was at, so take that as you will. And this is not their exact recipe because their baking times and temperatures were not in the video that I saw. They're in their cookbook, so buy their cookbook if you want the full recipe. This is me going off of what I can glean from the internet. I mean, this looks cool. No matter how you shake it, this looks really cool. So I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 degrees Celsius, I think. Hey Alexa, what is 350 degrees Fahrenheit in Celsius?
350 degrees Fahrenheit is about 176.7 degrees Celsius.
Let's try that again. Now we're just gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 176 degrees Celsius. Is that way too specific? You get it. I'm trying to be inclusive. Let's pop this in the oven. Cool. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to try this. Cause let me say, if this tastes good, I'm thinking about adding this to the weekly rotation. It's rotation. All right, let's just try this. Wow, okay. Ooh, oh baby, I am into this. Good work, Bosch. This is really, really good. First of all, I didn't know what to expect, but the flavors come together in such a nice way, and the nori adds a nice salty, fishy flavor. The texture isn't exactly like fish, but that's to be expected because it's not fish. Spoiler alert. Okay, I've got something delicious for you today.
Trying to process what this is. Oh, I smell seaweed. Okay, I smell seaweed. Like salmon?
Yes.
I mean, it's not really salmon. But just from a taste perspective, obviously tofu won't taste like salmon, despite, I'm assuming you tried adding a few different elements to make it more seafoody tasting. As pure taste, I'll give it a nice 7.2. It's good, it's not bad. You know, not the best thing you've given me, but I'll take it as a little afternoon delight.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like me to try. And with that, I bid you adieu. Have a beautiful day. My legs aren't that strong.